Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech. This tutorial will show you how to change a file system. But before we go down the steps, I will give you a brief definition, role, disadvantages, and the benefits. So file system is used to define storage, device, and control how data is stored and retrieved. It consists of three parts, including file system interface, software collection, and objects and attributes. From the system point of view, file system helps to organize and distribute storage spaces and provide some protective measures to ensure the data security. Specifically, it can help to create file, store file, modify file, and control access to file, and undo file when user don't need it. So different disks or partition contain different file system. A few programs will directly operate the original sector of the disk or partition, which may damage an existing file system. So user needs to initialize this to MBR or GPT and put the recorded data structure on it before they want to use its file system. So the process is called creating a file system. So there are too many types of file system, but I'll give you two, which is FAT32. FAT32 file system can perfectly store information since it uses small cluster. For example, there are two 2GB partition, and the first one uses FAT16 file system, and the second one uses FAT32 file system. The cluster size of FAT16 partition is 32 GB and the other is 4 GB. So FAT32 storage efficiency can be increased by 15%. Besides, FAT32 relocate the root directory and uses the copy of the FAT. So NTFS is an advanced file system developed by Microsoft, and it is the default file system for Windows NT family. It not only can protect files and directories, but also can reduce the occupation of the disk. So main features of NTFS are it can help support to 2 terabyte partition of volume. It is a recoverable file system. It uses a small cluster to perfectly manage the space. NTFS partition allows users to share resources. NTFS uses a changeable lock to track the record-oriented file. So due to this advantage, many users prefer NTFS than FAT. So the main role of file system is to make sure that what or whoever is accessing the data and whatever action is taken, the structure remains consistent. So the benefits of file system is cost-effective, security, reliability, data sharing, data retrieve, data backup, and environment friendly. So if you have a computer with you, please follow these steps. So first of all, note on your drive letter, which is letter E. So check the properties first. So here stays on FAT32. So we're going to convert this into NTFS. So now open up your command prompt. You can type down here from the search bar cmd. So when the screen pop up, so the first step you should type check this. Your drive letter or the volume, which is letter E, column space /F, then hit enter. Maybe it will take some time to process, but be patient. So now the second step, I type in uh, convert the volume or your drive letter, column /fs column and dfs, hit enter. Take some time. So after when it converts, then now type in exit to close the window. So from now you can go and check your properties again. So now it converted into NTFS. So that's all, and make sure you double check your data or your files that should be opening or not. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.